Bob and I were so excited to get 10 days at Hornby. We booked it back in March and it was already booked up for this weekend, the long weekend, Labor Day. And then we put ourselves on a waiting list. And they phoned us back about 3 months. March, April, May. Probably about May, and told us that we had a spot. It was an electrical spot, but it's a spot anyway. Every time we'd come here in the past, Bob would always want to walk the length of the beach every day. So I'm doing that, even though usually I would be too lazy to do it every day in the past. He always wanted a sailboat. I think that's why he went for the walks. The tide is really in far, or out far. I don't think I've ever seen it out this far. Oh, and used to skimboard for like all his pre-teens and early teens. It's a great place for it, like no rocks. Sometimes too many people. This is a Monday, though. Everyone's gone home to get their kids back to school. So I practically have the beach to myself.